over here you can see that I have a picture with a stone right here, and let's say I want to remove out the stone so that I just have the scene. So in that case, if I were to use the clone stamp tool right here, I can hold Alt to take a sample and draw around. You can see that it does not actually go around and give a good result. You can see the texture is all different right here, and the lighting is not there, so you do know at the end that it is actually erased. So in this case, what I want is, let me just press Ctrl Z just like this to go back a few steps. In this case, what I want is, I want the texture to be copied, but not the lighting condition, the brightness level. So in that case, you can go around onto the healing brush tool, and instead of using the auto healing brush tool, which you can use right here to automatically heal out things, you can go around and utilize the healing brush tool right here. You can work around with the size of the brush, as you can see, and let me just go around, increase out the size, and you can take the sample right here. So let's say I'm going to take this sample, and here you can see that I can go around and start drawing. So let me just go around right from over here, because I want much sample to be gotten right here. You can see that you can simply go around and draw around, and in this case it just copies around the textures, as you can see right here. As I draw, the textures are being arranged out right here just like this, and you can go around, draw it out, and it arranges out the background color according to what you have right here just like this, as you can see. So you can go around, and there you go. You can see that this has much a better result. So in this section, there's this line missing, so let me just go around onto this section, go and draw around right here, and then this is what you have, as you can see. Let me just go around right here, draw around, and there you go from the top as well. From the side, let me just go around right here, and in this side over here as well. So let me just go around, and then you can take a sample, as you can see, and just go around and then draw around right here just like this. So let me just go around over here and draw around over here as well. Let me just go around over here and draw around over here just like this as well. And this is what you have. So you can see that the texture is all messed up, the brightness of that area is messed up, and the item has been removed completely. And that is how you can use the healing brush tool with source selection inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.